Wishing you a very happy day. We are from Wonder World Montessori School Channel, Sanjeevni Nagar, Jabalpur. We are taking class for science, and in science today we are going to deal with solar system. So in our solar system, what is a family of solar system? See, sun is the head of the solar system, and in that family we have sun, the sky, the planets, the moons, and all this consists of our solar system. The sky, everybody knows. Sun is okay. Actually, what sun is? Sun is actually a star. It is a ball of very hot gases giving out heat and light. And what are planets? A planet is a huge heavenly body that has no light of its own. It shines because the sun shines on it. The planets are moving all the time in their fixed path, and this path is called orbit. A planet spins like a top which moves on its nail, or just as a fan moves on a rod. It does not have a rod to spin around. Planet spins on an imaginary line called the axis, and the spinning of planet along its axis is called rotation, and when the planet moves round the sun it is called revolution. You need to remember these two terms. And moon, as everybody knows that moon is also round. Our planet Earth has one moon revolving around it. Some of the other planets have moons going round them. Many have more than one moon also. Actually, the moon is also called Earth's satellite. So now let's see our solar system. Our solar system, as I told you before, sun is the head of the family, followed by Mercury, Venus, then the third number is Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Pluto was once considered as a ninth planet. Scientists have proved that it is too small to be called a planet. It has been termed as dwarf planet. And how the solar system is formed. No one actually knows how the solar system was formed. Scientists believe that a huge cloud of gases and dust formed our solar system. It was distributed by explosion of nearby stars, and this is called supernova. Now let us come to know about the layers of Earth. So this here we are seeing on the screen layers of Earth. As the Earth cooled, the outer layer became solid. This is called the crust on which we live. Some of the crust lies under the ocean also. It makes up the floor of the ocean. Core is at the center of the Earth. It is very hot, full of metals and minerals. The core has two layers. The outer core is liquid molten material. The inner core is solid. Between the core and the crust is mantle. It is made up of hot and sometimes soft rocks. So this is the way our Earth is made up. Now we come to the next slide, and that is what is this under the crust? Sometimes the rocks under the crust get very, very hot because of heat of the Earth. The rock material may even melt. This molten material is called magma, and it explodes from the Earth, and this is called a volcano. When hot water finds a weak spot in the crust, it also rushes out, and this is what we called as hot spring. So now you all know that our sun and the 8 planets and their moons make up our solar system. Our solar system was at first a huge cloud of hot gases. The core, or the center of the Earth, has very hot metals and minerals. The middle part has rocks, hot rocks. We live on the crust, the topmost layer. Hot molten rock material inside the Earth may rush out in the form of a volcano. So with this, I would like to thank you. Thank you very much. If you have any difficulty, put it in comment box, my little children. Bye.